When we are going to see about error handling in an Express.js. Error handling is an essential part of any application, including Express.js application. Proper error handling ensures that your application remains stable and reliable even when errors occur. Now I am going to show you how you can implement error handling in an Express.js application. For that, we require necessary modules, require the required modules in your Express.js application. Const express equal to require express. Const mongoose equal to require const require body parser. Const jwt equal to require json web token. Const bcrypt equal to require bcrypt.js. Next, we want to create an Express application. Create an instance of the Express application. For that, const app equal to Express. Next, we want to connect MongoDB, connect to your MongoDB database using Mongoose. For that, next we want to create a Mongoose schema and model for users. Define a Mongoose schema and models for user. For that, const user schema equal to new Mongoose schema. Inside that, I am going to take an username of string and a password of string. Next, const user equal to mongoose dot model user schema Next, we want to set up a middleware using body parse middleware to parse the request body. App.use body parser dot URL encode extended should be false. Then app.use body parser dot json. Next, I want to define a route handler. Define route handler for user registration, user login. For that, app.use It should be a post method slash register. It should be an asynchronous operation. Async request comma response. Inside that, I'm going to use try catch. In case if we get any error, next error. That right, I want to hash the password const hashed password equal to await bgrip.hash request dot password under 10 const user equal to new user and username request dot body dot username, and the password should be hashed password. And I want to save this await user dot save, and then rest dot status 200 dot send user registered successfully. Next, create a route to authenticate a user and generate a JWT for login. App.post slash login async request comma response. Next, any error, you want to check whether the user is there or not, is already registered or not. For that, await user dot find one username request dot body username. If not user, then return rest dot status of 404 dot send user not found. If not, await bgrip dot compare bricket.compare request.body.password, user.password. If both are not same, then you have to return res.status 401 dot send invalid password. Then const, we want to create a token using JWT dot sign username user dot username comma secret rest dot send token. Next, want to create a error handling middleware app.use err request res next console.log error.stack, and then I want to send a status of 500, send something went wrong. Next, I want to start the server app.listen 3000 console.log now if I run this, see the server is running and MongoDB connected successfully. Now I am going to show you inside the body. Now if I create the username and password, if I send this, see now the user registered successfully. Next I am going to show you using login. See, I am getting the token. Like this, we want to check the error handling and its functions. We use error handling material to catch and handle errors that occurs during user registration, user login, and accessing protected resource. If an error occurs, the error handling material logs the error to the console and sends a generic error message to the client. Thank you.